Thanks for coming to my YouTube channel at the Mergerson Method. Today I'm going to go over what the pros and cons are of using and getting a USDA loan. Before I go over that, please go to my YouTube channel at the Mergerson Method. Like and subscribe. I'm putting out free content every single day. All right, people have been contacting me wanting some more information about these USDA loans. So I'm going to go over the pros and cons of using these loans. All right, USDA loans. Here we go. The first pro is that it is 100%. It's 100% loan, no down payment. You don't need any down payment for this loan. That's great, especially for people that have limited cash to put down on properties. All right. The second one is it is a lower mortgage insurance fees. Like mortgage insurance, this tends to be a little bit lower than like FHA because it's backed by the government. Now the third pro is the credit requirements. All right. All you need is a minimum score of a 640 and you qualify for this loan. All right. The last pro is that they have expanded the area of who qualifies for this loan. It used to be just rural areas. Now they expanded to some suburban areas, which is great because I live about 40 minutes from downtown metropolitan area, and my area did not used to qualify. Now it qualifies for this loan. All right. Now let's go over the cons. The first one is basically what I just touched about is the location restrictions. All right. Of course, if you live in the city, metropolitan area, downtown area, do not qualify for this loan. Number two is that it has to be a primary residence. It can't be an investment property, so you have to live in this property in order to qualify for this loan. The last con is this process on the closing is longer. Longer closing time because this actually has to do an extra step compared to FHA or conventional. It has to actually get approved by the USDA department, and sometimes that may tend to take a longer process or a longer time to get approved. So there you go. These are the pros. These are the cons of USDA loans. It's definitely a good tool for a person that's looking to buy a property to live in, or for investors that are selling properties in approved USDA areas that you can advertise to get more buyers to purchase your property.